If you're in need of a powerful disinfectant that destroys heavy-duty bacteria and germs, then check out our EPA Registered Anabec Anasphere Plus Concentrated Disinfectant. This powerful cleaner has a 2 ounce per 1 gallon dilution rate and can make up to 16 gallons of disinfectant. This clear liquid concentrate is completely soluble in water and can be used with a fogger, pump sprayer, airless sprayer, spray bottle and rag, or a mop and bucket. This disinfectant can kill a variety of contaminants. This is a great solution for disinfecting large areas and outdoor spaces such as parks, playground equipment, industrial sites, manufacturing facilities, warehouses, stadiums, and more. For best results, try our IND-MD-DF-ESF-R1 portable battery-powered electrostatic sprayer with this powerful disinfectant. We have these items in stock and ready to ship immediately, so check out our complete selection at Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.